Greetings, friends. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today I'll be performing a shave, which is an ASMR shave, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. Hopefully, this will be a treat for your senses, and maybe the hair on the back of your neck will even stand up. We'll see. I'm going to use two razors today. I'll shave the left side of my face with this safety razor. I'll shave the right side of my face with this straight razor. I have a pretty good beard growth, so hopefully we'll get some sounds coming into your ears that are pleasing and provide a pleasant sensation. So let's get started. I've got my shaving cream in the Shave Nation bowl right here. I've got a brush. I'm going to soak it in the hot water. Shake it a little bit, and then I'll go into the bowl, see if I can mix a lather. Plenty of luscious lather with this brush and this bowl. Look at that. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Okay, I've warmed up my beard. You can see that my face is red from the hot water, bringing the blood to the surface. So let's lather up. Looks like an ice cream cone. Smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe the lips. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Dry the fingers. As I said, I'll shave the right side with a straight razor. I'll shave the left side with a safety razor. We'll start on the right side. Here's the razor. Some pleasant sounds for you. Hopefully it's a treat for your auditory system. Lots of stubble on there. You can see it. Let me rinse it. I'll swipe it clean on a towel. And carry on down the neck. Excellent. Seems very smooth on the right side. A rinse of the straight razor. And a quick swipe. Both sides to clean it. Now I'll go with the safety razor on the left side. Hopefully, it's also creating some pleasant sounds for you. Clean the cleft out. Rinse. There's lots of stubble on there. Down the neckline. Let's rinse again. Now the left side of the mustache. Excellent. A final rinse on the razor. Now I'll rinse my face. My face is equally smooth on both sides, the right side and the left side. Now I'll take my Shave Nation White Stick Alum Block, remove the cap, soak it under the cold water, and just glide that all around the areas that I just shaved. This is an excellent finish to the shave. It seals off any small nicks or weepers, and it's cooling and very calming to the skin. It's also an antiseptic, so it's good for the skin. It tightens it up as well. I'll recap this. Set that down. Let that soak into my skin for about 30 seconds, and then I'll rinse it off. Time goes by. 30 seconds later. A cold water rinse on the face. Very refreshing. Now I'll pat the face dry with a cloth. Leaving the face damp, I'll pour out some aftershave balm. Massage that together. Apply directly to the freshly shaved skin. Massage it in gently. It's cooling, calming, refreshing, provides an invisible layer of protection on your skin throughout the day. You can see that it's a little bit damp on my face. I'll take my towel, fold it in half like so. This is an old barbershop trick. Fold it in half and then air dry it like so. This feels really good. shave. There you have it, a complete baby smooth shave in just one pass, using the safety razor on the left side of my face and using the straight razor on the right side of my face. I hope that this ASMR presentation was pleasing to your senses. If so, please comment down below. Let me know. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, I'll be happy to do so. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great ASMR day. We'll see you next time. Shh.